Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the English Word Podcast, your favorite place to learn English with simple stories, real conversations, and friendly vibes. I'm Emma, and as always, I'm here with my podcast partner, my food lover friend, and the man who can finish a pizza faster than I can say bon appetit, Jake.
Hey everyone, it's good to be here again. And okay, yes, I do love food. I accept this truth.
You don't just love food, you study food like an academic professor.
Hey, food is an important part of life. Every meal is a chance to be happy.
And today's episode is perfect for you then, because today we're talking about how to order food at a restaurant in English.
Yes, one of the most useful topics ever, because everyone eats, everyone goes to restaurants, and everyone needs English for food situations, especially beginners.
Exactly. And don't worry, we're not going to use difficult words. This episode is for beginners, but also helpful for anyone who wants simple, competent, and natural English.
Today we're going to teach you real-life phrases, show you how to order politely, explain how to ask questions about the menu, how to talk to the waiter, how to ask for recommendations, how to complain nicely, how to handle mistakes, and even how to pay the bill.
And, like always, we'll also share a short story, some fun moments, and a small personal experience.
And yes, I promise I will not eat during the podcast.
You say that every week?
And every week I break the promise. But today I'm strong. I can do this.
We'll see about that. All right, learners, relax, sit comfortably, and imagine you and us are sitting in a cozy restaurant, warm lights, soft music, and a menu in your hands. Let's begin. Before we start teaching, I want you to imagine something simple. You enter a restaurant, the waiter looks at you, you want to order, but your mind becomes empty. You forget every word.
This happens to everyone when learning English, even to me when I travel.
That's why today we'll guide you slowly, step by step, like a friend sitting beside you whispering, "It's okay, say this." First, let's start from the very beginning, entering the restaurant. When you enter and a server greets you, they usually say, "Hi, how many people?" Or, "Hi, table for two?" Or, "Do you have a reservation?"
Now, your response can be simple. You don't need long sentences. You can say, "Table for two, please. No reservation. It's just me."
Exactly. Short, simple, polite. Now, imagine the waiter takes you to your table. After giving the menu, they may say, "Your server will be with you in a moment." Or, "Let me know if you have any questions." Or, "I'll be back to take your order."
And now, the moment of fear for most English learners, the menu.
Yes, many students feel nervous because menus have new words. But don't worry, you don't need to understand everything. If you don't know a word, you can always ask, "What is this? Is this spicy? Does this have meat? Can you explain this dish?"
And if something looks difficult, just point and say, "What about this one?" Pointing is 100% normal in restaurants.
Now, let's talk about ordering. When the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" or "Can I take your order?" you can answer, "Yes, I'm ready," or "Not yet, a few more minutes, please."
And here is a magic phrase that makes you sound confident. I'll have.
Yes, "I'll have" is perfect. For example, "I'll have the chicken soup." "I'll have a cheeseburger." "I'll have the pasta with no cheese."
And if you want to order a drink, I'd like a glass of water. I'd like a lemonade. Tea, please.
Now, let's do a small role play. Imagine Jake is the waiter, I'm the customer.
Jake, hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, "I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please."
Sure. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Beautiful. Simple. Natural.
And you, our listeners, can practice. Repeat after me. I'll have the. I'd like the. That's all. Thank you. See? Easy. Now, sometimes the waiter will ask extra questions. How would you like your steak? Or what kind of dressing? Or fries or salad? Or small or large?
Don't panic. Just answer, medium, please. Caesar dressing. Fries, please. Large.
Now, what about mistakes? Because restaurants sometimes make mistakes.
Yes. Sometimes they bring the wrong dish. Sometimes the food is cold. Sometimes your drink is missing.
And you need polite English to fix it. You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is not my order. Sorry, but this is cold. I didn't order this. Can you please change it?"
Important word. Excuse me. This is the polite way to call a waiter. Don't shout. Don't wave your hands wildly. Just say softly, "Excuse me."
Now, let's talk about the best part. The food arrives.
Yes, that moment when the waiter puts the plate on the table and you suddenly feel like life is beautiful again.
I laugh, yes, Jake, that moment.
When the food arrives, the waiter may say, "Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything." You can reply, "Thank you."
During the meal, if you need something, you can say, "Can I have more water? Can I get extra napkins? Can I have some salt?"
After you finish eating, it's time for the last step, the bill, or the check in American English. You can say, "Can I have the check, please? Could we get the bill?"
Very simple. And when you leave, you can say, "Thank you. Have a good day."
Now let's make this more interesting with a short story based on real experience. One time, Jake and I were in a cute little restaurant in a city by the sea. The food smelled amazing. The place was cozy, but the menu, oh no, the menu had very complicated English.
It was like reading a science textbook. And the waiter came and asked, "Are you ready to order?" And Jake confidently said,
"We are not ready at all."
Then he pointed to a dish with a long name like wild herb, slow roasted lemon infused ocean something something.
And I asked, "What is this? Is it animal? Is it plant? Is it sea monster?"
The waiter started laughing and said, "It's fish."
Yes, it was just fish.
But the important part is, Jake didn't feel shy asking questions. That's how you should be too. If you don't know, just ask. Asking is strength. You know, learning how to order food in English is more than just learning phrases. It's about confidence, about feeling strong in new situations, about believing you can survive outside your comfort zone.
And trust me, once you order food in English for the first time, you feel like a superhero.
Yes, it's true. The first time I ordered food alone in another country, I felt proud. I felt free. I felt like, wow, I can actually do this.
And you, yes you, listening right now, you can do it too. You don't need perfect English. You don't need long sentences. You only need a small set of phrases and a little confidence. Let's practice a final time. Repeat slowly. Table for two, please. I'll have the chicken. Can I have water? Excuse me. Can I get the check? Beautiful!
Remember, you are learning. You are improving.
You are becoming stronger in English every single day.
And we are here with you. Every episode, every step.
All right, learners. Thank you for joining the English Word Podcast. We hope today's restaurant conversation helped you feel ready for real life.
And if you want more episodes like this, let us know.
Until then, stay confident, stay curious, and stay hungry for food and for learning.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye!